Hello everyone, good morning. For those joining for the first time, my name is Diana and I'm so sorry for the background noise, but it's actually my kitten and he has just a lot of energy in the morning most of the time, so he starts going really crazy once he sees that I'm getting up. He gets really excited. And he actually woke me up since 7 in the morning, and I was not supposed to wake up till 9 because I wanted to sleep 8 hours since it's Sunday. He was making a lot of noise and he was just being a pain in the ass. So I already fed him for the morning and I gave him a little bit more water. So that's what I usually do, like my first step in the morning. I just get up, I feed him right away because that's like usually he's just crying because he's hungry. I already got that out of the way. That's like my first step. Now I'm just gonna go to the restroom and do my business, and right after the restroom I'm gonna start making breakfast. Probably show you guys like a quick version of whatever I'm gonna make. I think I'm gonna make oatmeal, and then after that I'm just gonna sit down and kind of like catch up on media, plan my day, kind of get an idea of what I'm gonna do today. And I think I'm also gonna work out this morning. Since it's Sunday, I don't like to do it at night. I usually work out at night every day, but since today it's Sunday, I feel like I might actually just work out today in the morning a little bit before lunch and just get it over with. I work out 4 to 5 times a week, so I'm trying to like get my body used to working out, you know, this much. I feel like before I was only working out 3 times a week. And yeah, so I'm gonna get up and show you guys just the basic morning routine that I do on a Sunday morning. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I just want to stop right here just to say to please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe and support me. I really appreciate each one of you guys. But yeah, let's begin this video. Alright y'all, so I finished making my oatmeal. It took a little bit longer than expected, but this is it. And I am excited to eat this up. As you guys saw, I didn't add any sugar. I'm trying to stay away from sugar. I just added honey. So I put half of the banana to sweeten it up, and then the other half of the banana I'm gonna eat it on top. It's good. Yeah, my cat to bother me. He's gonna want some. Hey. So yeah, so I'm just gonna eat right now. And then right now I usually just stay on my phone for about like 15 minutes. And I just catch up on social media, to be honest. I might just watch a YouTube video from someone else, of course, not mine. And then I'm going to start my day. So usually after breakfast, I go and like start cleaning my house, and then I go and I brush my face and my teeth, and then put my retainers back on because I have retainers. And then after I clean and I do all that, it's like once I really get into whatever I'm gonna do for the day. So during this time that I'm sitting down, I also like to plan like what my day looks like. I know a lot of people have been making jokes like, oh, why did we even buy a planner for this year? But I'm still using my planner. Oh, and I want to give a shout out to Araceli for her sticker. I put it in my planner so I can see it every day. So I actually do use my planner every day. I like to keep myself organized and like to see my schedule for the day. This is for August, so I don't have a lot written down since we just started the month of August. So I kind of want to go and start adding a few things. I like to add how many times I'm gonna work out, what days I'm gonna work out and stuff, and I like to do it on Sunday so I can get an idea of what's the rest of the week gonna look like. And also if I need, like, I have an appointment next Tuesday, I also want to get an idea of who's gonna see Bebe meanwhile I go to my appointment, because I don't leave him alone. So I kind of start planning out for my week on Sundays, and even during the week I kind of like review my day and I'm like, oh, okay, should I prepare for something else? So yeah, I'm gonna go through my planner. I don't really have much today, but I do know that I'm gonna work out and I'm gonna apply for 2 jobs. Well, I'm not gonna submit the applications, but I'm gonna look for 2 jobs that I'm really interested in and work on them. I'll show you guys what I planned out for today. Alright, y'all, so I actually just finished washing my face and brushing my teeth. If you're interested in my skincare routine, I have a recent video on it, so that's why I didn't show you guys how I go about doing my skincare, brushing my teeth. That it just wouldn't be efficient for this video. So yeah, I will link down the video below if you're interested in seeing that. But now I'm gonna show you guys like the plan that I kind of created for the day, for the morning, because this is just a morning routine. So first off, I already did my skincare and I brushed my teeth, and then I'm gonna clean my apartment for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna take a small break for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna start doing my workout, which is usually about 50 minutes, and then I'm just gonna make lunch, and that's gonna be my morning routine. I'm not gonna show you guys my lunch, like what I make, because that's not part of the video. I will be putting another video of what I eat in a day, or like a recipe video, like healthy versions, in a couple weeks. So I'll just wait for them to show you guys like my food ideas, and plus it just takes a significant amount of time, so I'm not gonna do that. And yeah, so this is like my plan for the rest of the day. And I like to use my iPad, and it's the iPad Air, and I like to kind of just create my notes and kind of give myself an idea of what I'm going to do for the day. I just enjoy this video of me cleaning up my apartment, and then I will check in with you guys before I do my workout. Hey y'all, I'm gonna start working out actually, and I'm just gonna show you guys my workouts. I'm gonna link down Chloe Ting's like videos online, or like her YouTube account, because I follow her workouts, and honestly that's what I do. It's nothing like that I create on my own. The only thing that I would say is that I add like weight training towards the end, so that's just a mix of what I do. So I'll just show you guys like overall what I do. I'm gonna speed this up, of course. It's not gonna be a long, like all my whole workout, but I definitely recommend you guys to check out her channel if you guys want to see more workouts. If you don't have any equipment, now if you do have some equipment, you can always create your own. And I like to just see a lot of like fitness gurus and like influencers, and I kind of get like my workout ideas from them. I actually start now because Bibba's gonna drop the camera on because he's shaking it now. So enjoy. Hi everyone, so I actually finished working now, and now I'm gonna eat lunch. And for lunch I'm having some ravioli, and I put very little marinara in it. I would say just like a spoon of it. And then I have a Southwest salad with an egg that I boiled yesterday. And yeah, this is gonna be my lunch. And since it's a big meal, probably for dinner I'll probably have like a protein smoothie and most likely a sandwich or something like that, something smaller since I had this. And then throughout the day I'll just snack on fruit and pretzels and hummus. But yeah, that's all. Bitch can't talk. But yeah, that is all for the video. I'm gonna drink my BCA drink now, which is like the BCA's like amino acids after you work out to kind of recover from your muscles. I want to close off the video here to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each one of you guys, and like always, please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and leave me any suggestions down below on stuff that you would want to see. I want to make videos based on like what you guys are interested to. And yeah, so take care and have a great weekend. Bye.